कैलिब्रेशन में जाएंगे, गैस एनालाइजर कैलिब्रेशन है, यहाँ पे आएंगे, रेफरेंस वैल्यूज़ पुटअप करेंगे, गैस की जो भी है सेव कर देंगे। कैलिब्रेशन में जाएंगे, गैस कैलिब्रेशन पे कनेक्शन कर देंगे, यहाँ से पीछे से सिलेंडर लगा लेंगे, उसका रेगुलेटर वाल्व वगैरह सारा चीज़ कनेक्ट करके वैल्यूज़ यहाँ इनपुट कर देंगे। फिर गैस कैलिब्रेशन में जाएंगे और वार्म अप करने के बाद ये परफॉर्म करेंगे। फिलहाल भी नहीं कर रहे हैं। वापस कैलिब्रेशन में जाएंगे, मेटाबॉलिक रूम एयर कैलिब्रेशन करना है, यहाँ से ये निकाल के कहीं पे रख देंगे जहाँ पे एक्सटर्नल CO2 ना मिसमैच हो। इस पर क्लिक करेंगे, यस करेंगे, स्टार्ट होगी, स्टार्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे, इट विल टेक सम टाइम। So analyzers calibration in progress. So it will now detect the room air mixture, whatever mixture is there in room, to identify whether the mixture is like atmospheric concentration, whatever, around 21% oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, and rest is miscellaneous gas like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, helium, methane, etc. Now it's passed. Now our this and this has done. Now for blowers we have three options. One is blower. To perform blower we need syringe. Right now we don't have, so we are not performing. We have to just connect this and we have to perform 6 to 8 strokes and then it will be passed. Right now I'm aborting it. And for calibrating turbine syringe also we need syringe. We will connect everything like this, both, and these will connect. From this side we will connect to syringe and will perform 6 to 8 strokes and then after it will be passed. So right now we are not performing. And the next one, to perform this turbine calibration, we have to fix it like this from this side, from the internal side, and this will fix here. Here it will be like this. Okay, it's connected like the same maneuver. Now we will start it. It will take few seconds. Now it's passed. We'll accept it. If we want to see the data, if you want to do some settings, we can go here. These are the international. You want to system settings, these are the enabled thing. You want to see advanced, so this will show that RMR average minimum will be 5 minutes, stop RMR average minimum will be 10 minutes, minimum calibration FeCO2 will be 0.7, maximum calibration will be FeO2 1.5. Heart rate is the wireless device we have connected. Here we can set the printout hospital details or center details. Here we can select the by default predicted set. There are two. One is ACSM Cooper Institute or ACSM friend. Normally we perform ACSM friend. Here we can select as per our requirement. For the maintenance, this is the details. Pneumatic cartridge. This been changed to 16th of October 2024. Lot number is this. Auto sensor is this. If you want to change password, we can change from here. If you want we're done, we can close it. To create new subject, either we can select from existing, like I have to select Rudraj Bhagwat, we'll select OK, we'll do OK. Now it will ask for exercise or resting. In resting, we can perform with this QNRG Max model, either with hose or with the canopy. For the hose, we'll select this and we'll have to connect this like this here, and the another port will be connected to this, will go directly to the mouth. We'll connect this, and for the canopy we have to set the canopy. And we need, if you want to see the existing data, we can select any. We can see, if you want to see the export PDF, we can select here. We have to connect this USB here, and this will export the exporting the PDF. It is asking, we have to select this. Here like this. Now we will select, I'm not going to perform this right now. We have to select this USB, and then this will start. Right now I have not connected this. If you want to see, if you want to edit something, we can select here. These are the existing data. For the submax, if you want to remove the artifact, we can remove the artifacts. If you want to auto connect detect, it will auto detect. If you want to cancel it, here are the different segments. One is view to max screen, fat max screen. So here we're getting fat, cholesterol, protein, respiratory quotient, heart rate, speed, grade, and the total time of the, yeah. Here we're getting speed in different color, grade in different color, and this is fat, gram per hour. Here we're getting heart rate, beat per minute. If you want to see data, this will show you the raw data, real time, respiratory frequency, minute ventilation, tidal volume, volume time, VO2 per kg, VO2, VCO2, volume of carbon dioxide, volume of oxygen consumption in kg, RQ respiratory quotient, expiratory ventilation ratio with volume of oxygen consumption, minute ventilation with ratio with volume of carbon dioxide, fractional expired oxygen, fractional expired carbon dioxide, fractional inspired oxygen, fractional inspired carbon dioxide, battery percentage, marker, RPE, heart rate, or systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, phases, RPM if we are using this ergometer, speed if you are using treadmill, grade for treadmill, workload, 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 bike power, straight card. These are not the relevant parameters here. These are not the relevant parameters. You want to see fat max, we'll get data here. Go to max real-time screen. If you want to see info of patient, here we can see. If you want to set the fasting time, you can select from here. If you want to define the position, it was supine. If you want to resting period, purpose of the test, if anything, we can select it from here. So it will measure as per filter. If you want to delete something, we can select from here. Yes, it, the data and the profile has been deleted. If you want to delete everything, we'll go here and click it, it will delete everything. If you want to select protocol, you can go here. These are the by default protocol. If you want to delete anything or modify, you can select, like this is Bruce MPH, so this is on default. If you want to customize, we can create, you can give a name here. If it is for treadmill, we'll select treadmill. Load type, test treadmill, we'll select treadmill. We'll give the name, any name, whatever name we desire. But we can select everything. We don't want to perform anything new. We have already set the this. If you want to revisit test, you can do here. If you want to perform new, we have already seen this. We want to create new, we can go here. We'll put first name, last name, date of birth, and the gender, height, weight, and the ID, and it will start perform the test. If you want to see the information of the unit, the model and everything, we can get from here. Everything is here. This is NRG Max. Serial number is 2024 100176, and everything is here. So this we are getting sampling line, operator port, assembly line port, cost calibration port. Here we have this USB, external USB connection. At back side we can connect this to the mains. Right now it's on battery, so whenever it will be connected to mains, it will show here. If there will be any issue, it will indicate here for service. This is switch on off button. We can carry this. Here at back side we can install the battery and the sensor. This is the communication port here to communicate with internet, or if you want to communicate with the Omnia, we have two options. Sorry, if you want to communicate with external this machine, we can communicate with uh, ergometer and treadmill. This is RS232 port, and this is USB port. Okay, here this is U port. We will connect here to perform reference gas calibration, and to set this pressure at regulator, this is 6 to 7 bar reference gas pressure, or 70 to 90 psi. So these are the additional wire and pap. This is silicon mask. It comes in different sizes. This is headgear. This is the three things. One is sampling line, one is optoreader, one is turbine. This is T3 28 ID diameter. This is communication to perform T3 calibration. This is heart rate, carbon heart rate pill to perform to get heart rate data. This is hose pipe. This is AB filter if you want to perform hose testing. Thank you.